Hello guys, this is Abhishek and you are watching Android 5.1 Lollipop update review of Android 1 devices. So yesterday I get the notification of Android 5.1 system update. So this is around 409 MB of file. So it's take around 15 minutes to update my Canvas A1 to the 5.1. So after the update my device is now Lollipop, you see. Lollipop, new Lollipop type of game. So this is Android 5. This is Android Lollipop Flappy Bird game. You see in the more Lollipop devices. So now this is on your Canvas A1, and the build number of this update is LMY470. This is for the Canvas A1. The Carbon Sparkle one have different build numbers, and the Spice Dream Mono have the different build numbers. So it depends on your device. But for the Micromax, it is LMY470. So I do it by the OTA. I get the notification and I update it. So after the update, you see uh, the storage space is decreased to the 200, 300 MB. When I purchased this phone, the phone have 2.1 gigs of storage for applications, but now it's 1.8 gigs. I think this is due to the art runtime because the KitKat is run on Dalvik and Dalvik is very old runtime now. So Lollipop is run on the art runtime and art eat your space. So if you installing any application, like you install any application of 2 MB from the Play Store, it's installed in 4 MB, means art increase the size of application to double. So it's due to the art runtime. Battery have very improvement now. So the battery is very improved in the Lollipop 5.1. So you see now I get the 7 to 8 hours of backup with moderate user, but it depends on now on your usage, how you use your phone. But now you get about 7 hours of screen on time. So now this battery saver app is now added. So it's automatically turned on when the battery is around 50%, but I switch off it because now I am recording this video for you guys. So when you on this guys, so the notification bar and this back buttons turned orange, and this is a symbol of battery saver. When you switch on the battery saver, this can automatically switch off your background application and all the animation are gone. So you only get simple phone without any animation because you. So this is for the guys who. This is very useful when you go any trip and you don't have any charger and your phone is very important for you. So this is for you guys. So it's increase your battery life to 90 minutes, means 1.30 hour. So means it's increase your battery life. So it's good feature. Sound and notification have now new tweaks. Like you click on this, so it's all. When you click on all, you get all the notification. When you click on the priority, you get only very useful notifications. When you click on none, you get no, and you didn't get any type of notification or any type of alarm. So this is I click on the all. So this notification bar is also changed. You see now when you swipe once, you see the only notification. When you swipe again, you see this notification bars, notification toggles. When I click on now, notification toggles have new tweaks. In 5.0, it's when I click here, it's open setting, but it's in 5.1, it's opening in the notification bar. So it's good. So now torch toggle is added. So now one tweak is here. When you click on the portrait, you see the slight animation here. When you click on the auto rotate, it's slight animation. This is not there on the 5.0, but now it's there. Now there is one more tweak is here. Like you click on the all clear, you see the animation. This is not there on the 5.0. And one also thing is changing in the 5.1. You go the clock. When you go to the timer, you see the animation on the timer icon. Here the stay watch icon, timer icon, clock icon, and this alarm icon have some flight animation. And this is the recent apps button now changed. Now the Google called it overview. So now your multitasking bar is like a card. You see slight amount of the footage of your application running background. So you swipe from here to kill and click here to get in the application. So you see clear up. So now the phone is running very smooth, battery life is increased. So if you don't get any OT update, I show you how to get the OT update, because sometimes the device don't get OT updates, but it's 100% rolled out for the Android One device. So if you don't get any update, go to the application, play services, manage space, and here click on the clear all data. After the clear all data, go back again in the setting, all, and here it is Google service framework. So clear data and force stop it and reboot your device and check for update. You get 100% you get the 5.1 OTA update. If you don't update your phone with the OTA, I give it the link in the description below for the official OTA update.zip file. So if you want to do it manually, I given the link in the description for the Micromax one, for the Carbon one, and for the Spice one. So if you want to do it manually, I give the link in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Hit like button and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, good day.